Hey, good morning everybody. It's April Whitlock with Fundanoodle, here to remind you that summer's coming. It feels like it here in Charlotte already, but we are right smack in the middle of May-cember. So there's Mother's Day on the way, college graduations are around the corner, we've got all kinds of end-of-year activities and parties and teacher gifts to buy and EOGs to study for and final exams, and it's crazy, but right after it, here comes summer. And you know what comes with summer? A lot of I'm bored, what do I do? But also summer learning loss. So our May special is a great way for you to stock up and be ready when it's time to get those little learners thinking again this summer. Our activity books, 3 of our big major activity books are on special. They are 20% off the entire month. Our uppercase book, so whether you're one of these moms that want to plan ahead and make sure that your little learner is ready when they hit kindergarten this fall, or if you're a mom that just wants to stock up so you have multiple activities to hand back to that back seat when you're taking a trip and you're like, okay, do this one now, and then do this one now. So all of our activity books, they are top-down spiral. That is going to means that they're going to lay flat. So a lefty or a righty is going to have absolutely no problem having fun with these books. With our uppercase books, just like our lowercase, we introduce our letters easiest to write to hardest to write. So that means we are starting, if you can see, it's probably backwards there, we're starting with straight lines, then we go to curves, then we go to diagonals. So if you're going to spend this summer working with your preschooler on their letters, do not start with A, because A is one of the hardest letters in the alphabet to write. In fact, it is third to last in the way that we introduce the letters. And you'll find in all of our books our friends Max and Alfie. Max is our buddy who's giving kids instructions on what to do. And how do they write? Well, they zip and they zoom and they buzz across the page. Straight lines are zips, diagonals are zooms, curves are buzzes, and then they hop around. So as your child goes through the book, they're going to be starting again, like I said, with the easiest, with the straight lines. And Max is going to tell them how easy it is going to be just to zip down and zip across. All of our books are going to start with a square, so your child can start learning what size they need the letter to be. And then we introduce the green and the red line, so they know universally where to start and where to stop. We want all kids to start with uppercase, because all uppercase letters start on that green line, and we want them to get in the habit of writing from top to bottom, because that's the way they're going to learn to read. So that's why it's so important. They work their way through till they see the kind of lines they're going to see in kindergarten, and then when they finish the page, and it may take multiple times to finish a page, let them do 2 or 3 on each line, go back and circle which one they like the best. One of my favorite kindergarten teachers, she uses the phrase, which one is your professional letter? Circle your most professional letter. So this one page can last for a long time. They go through the entire alphabet, and then in the back they get more different types of practice pages, so they can practice with the blocks, they can practice with the lines. They have some fun activities so they can start writing the months of the year. And of course, every page has a sticker page, a sticker reward, that you can control when they get it, when their letters are professional. So this month, our uppercase book, our lowercase book, again, same thing, same concept of the squares and the zip, zoom, and buzz. We add a bump to it as well, and a dot, and they use the blocks. And our numbers book, where we're teaching kids to write 0 to 20. All of these are 20% off this month. What a great time to stock up so you have this in your arsenal, because summer's coming. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon.